Hello, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send emails with Wix in just a few simple steps. Whether you're brand new to Wix or you're just trying to make better use of its email features, this guide will walk you through everything clearly and simply. Let's get started. First, head over to the Wix website and log into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, look at the left-hand sidebar. Here, you'll notice a marketing tab. This is where Wix keeps all of its promotional tools, and today we'll focus on the email marketing option. Hover over the marketing tab and then click on email marketing. This will take you to the section where you can create your campaign. Now, Wix gives you two ways to get started. You can choose from a variety of templates that are already designed to look polished and professional, or you can create an email from scratch if you want more flexibility and personalization. Once you've made your choice, click Edit Template. Here's where the fun begins. You can customize your email design to fit your brand, change the theme, adjust the fonts, tweak the colors, or even set a background image that matches your style. Taking the time to brand your email properly makes it more engaging for your readers. Before sending it out, always click on Pasha Preview and Test. This lets you see exactly how your email will appear in your audience's inbox. It's also the perfect opportunity to check that your links, images, and formatting all look the way you want. When you're happy with the design, click Next. This takes you to the audience selection screen. Decide whether you want to send your email to all of your contacts or just specific groups. Targeting certain groups can really boost engagement since the content feels more relevant to them. After you've selected your audience, you're ready for the final step. Click on Tulisanam Publishmail and Wix will send your email campaign to the recipients you've chosen. Just like that, your message is out in the world. And there you have it. A straightforward process to create and send emails with Wix. With a little customization and planning, you can build strong connections with your audience and keep them engaged. Thanks for watching, and if you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy step-by-step Wix tutorials.